Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach, and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. I mean, the breath, the energy, the this, the that, I mean everything. This is gonna be so freaking cool. So come on with me, here we go.
Glissade jeté, 3 times. Balloté effacé. Now this leg goes up stage. Fouetté. Coupé, ballonné, ballonné, ballonné. Tombé. I haven't looked that way yet because I want it to be a surprise. Jeté. Right, so it's a little bit of a surprise there with your head. Ready? Dancers, think about those floors, bouncing off those floors. Ready, go, 1. 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, 1. Second group. Five, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, 1. Don't overswing, stretch. One, da, 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 da. Go, 1. Ready? Go, 1. Da, da, dee, da, 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 1. Ya, ba, 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 1. Sorry, guys. Ready? You have to package yourself. Anything you buy, if it's in a good package, you tend to buy it more likely than something that's just in a brown bag, right? Even if, I remember in the old days, we used to package because we'd come in with scarves and, you know, shawls and all this stuff. We all came out of that Russian background and all this stuff. But it was a package. We worked at it. I mean, we really worked at looking exotic and beautiful and important and, all of that. You do have to present yourself. You have to present your package, your package. You're all different. You all have gifts, each one of you that's special to you. Find out what it is and present it in the realm of classical ballet. Each person has that gift. If you don't know what you have, what your package is, find out. Make it up. Get in touch with it. We're not like everybody else. Don't try to be like everybody else. Be unique. Be unique, which you are already, but keep developing that. It'll help your dancing. It's a simple thing. It's not anything about pointing your toes or fixing your elbows. It's about you as an artist. To me, that's the most important thing. That's what's going to carry you far, is that artistry. Some of the most beautiful dancers I know don't have the feet and the legs and all of that. They don't, but they have developed a package that you can't resist.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.